If you've ever applied your press-on nails and they popped off in 24 hours, this video is for you. These are from Nail Reformation. I found these at TJ Maxx, but I have linked their website in the description. I love this brand because these nails are cute, affordable, and acrylic, which means they're sturdy. No bending over here.
Oh, so you doing the bending.
Prep is everything, so I start by buffing my nails. I don't have a buffer, so I lightly file my nails, just basically removing the shine off my nails. Then I get some acetone or alcohol. The drier your nail bed, the better the glue can adhere to your nails. The nail glue I'm using is from Beauty Secrets. I got mine from Sally's, but it can also be found on Amazon. I've also linked that in the description. Now you'll want to size the press-ons to your nail bed. You can file the size if needed, but for these nails, they're pretty accurate for me. If the nail hurts before the glue, it's definitely going to hurt after the glue, okay? So don't do that to yourself. So apply the glue to your nails. I do a generous amount, a small dot on the press-on, but it really depends on how I feel. I place the press-on my nail and lightly press down. You don't want glue to come out of the sides. That creates air bubbles, which leads to them popping off later. Now you can take your cuticle oil and oil your cuticles. Nail Reformation comes with some. Now look at you. You successfully learned how to apply your press-on nails so that they last. I wash dishes, chase the kids, and type, all with no popping off. Y'all let me know in the comments if you're a square, coffin, almond, or stiletto type.